ONGC Oil Natural Gas Corporation Limited recruitment of graduate trainees in engineering and geoscience at E1 level through GATE 2020. So this is the recruitment notification of ONGC, which is a very good pay scale for all the engineers. Recruitment for graduate trainee engineers in different disciplines. AEE mechanical, the requisite percentage you should have is 60%, and the number of vacancies for unreserved 4 vacancies, for OBC 1, for SC 1 total 6 vacancies, and for AEE cementing petroleum, graduate in petroleum engineering is required, and for AEE civil you should have a degree in civil engineering, and 12 vacancies are there for unreserved, and OBC 4 vacancies, total of 18 vacancies. For AEE mechanical, 60% in mechanical engineering degree is required, and there are 50 vacancies for unreserved and total of 28 vacancies. For AEE electrical, there are 39 vacancies put together, so the requisite percentage criteria 60% in and they should have a degree, that is engineering degree in electrical engineering. And for electronics, AEE electronics, the number of vacancies for unreserved candidates is 3 vacancies and total of 5 vacancies, different respective categories. And the one who are eligible to apply for electronics are graduate in electronics engineering and telecom engineering and ENT, electronics and telecommunication engineering, or postgraduate degree in physics with electronics with minimum 60% are eligible to apply for the post of AEE electronics. So for AEE instrumentation, there are 14 vacancies for unreserved category and total 32 vacancies. And for AEE mechanical, graduate degree in mechanical with 60%, 16 vacancies are there. And for production, that too mechanical, the requisite qualification is engineering degree with 60%, and 13 vacancies for production. Chemical, you need to have a degree in chemical engineering with 60% of marks, and there are 13 vacancies. And AEE production, petroleum, you need to have a degree of petroleum engineering. There are 11 vacancies for unreserved and total of 12 vacancies. And for AEE reserve oil, you should have postgraduate degree in geophysics with minimum 60% marks, or postgraduate degree in geology with 60% of marks. Must have mathematics, physics at BSc level, or postgraduate degree in chemistry with requisite percentage criteria. There are 7 vacancies, and a chemist, geology, geophysicist, and geophysicist surface wells, material management officer. See, for material management officer, the requisite qualification is graduate degree in any engineering with minimum 60% of marks. So any engineering degree is required to apply for the post of material management. This is GATE code, that is mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, production engineering, chemical, EC, computer science, production engineering. There are 6 vacancies for unreserved and 12 vacancies. Categorical division is this much, and any engineering graduate who had qualified GATE can apply for the post of material management officer. And for programming officer, the requisite degree is computer science engineering or information technology, or postgraduate degree in MCA or computer science with minimum 60% of marks. The number of vacancies are 4 vacancies for unreserved and total of 5 vacancies. And transport officer, graduate degree in mechanical engineering with 60% of marks, or automobile engineering, and there are 4 vacancies. And for AEE industrial engineering, the production industrial engineering, there are 2 vacancies. So these are total of 313 vacancies for different categories, and 193 for unreserved categories, total AEEs in this recruitment. So the requisite criteria is you need to have a GATE score, that is you need to have qualified GATE score of GATE 2020, and the weightage for GATE score is 60 marks. And if you have any other higher education qualifications, 25 marks, 20 marks essential qualification, and 5 marks for PhD, and interview 15 marks, total of 100 marks. and after this this is the shortlisting criteria in different weightage of marks. So this is the way they gonna shortlist you for the post of AEE, that is Assistant Executive Engineering, in different streams as well. So now let's see what is the last date to apply for this is 12/10/2021. The application date has already started, that is from 22/9/2021. You need to go to this website ongcindia.com. you need to go to careers page and apply online through your GATE score and upload the requisite educational certificates of PDF form, and you need to fill in. So this is the regarding the AEEs, and the age criteria for different categories is here. 30 years for unreserved category if you are opting for drilling cementing, and 28 years for AEE drilling cementing. So for SC ST there is some relaxation, and PWD also there is some relaxation. So this is regarding the vacancies of and the application fees is 300 rupees for general EWS OBC, and there is no fees for SC ST PWD candidates. So this is regarding the number of vacancies for different streams of Assistant Executive Engineering in ONGC. If you have any doubts, please do comment. Thank you. Have a great day.